How to remove everything from iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Wallpaper option and tap on it. Tap on the Customize button under your current lock screen preview to begin editing. On the customization screen, tap directly on the widget panel located below the time. This will bring up the Add Widgets menu, showing all the available options. To remove an existing widget, simply tap on the minus icon located at the top left corner of that widget. Once all widgets are removed, tap on Done in the top right corner to save your changes. If you visit your lock screen, you will now see the updated lock screen. Following these steps, you can easily remove everything from your iPhone's lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.